getting it done. Me and Chris this morning. Carl's having a sleeping. Just about finished.
Good morning, everybody. I've just arrived, 7:30. Good girls. Morning! How are we this morning? Yeah, good. There ain't got many cows left here. Well, I'll go feed these little calfies. There we are, that's my job this morning. Just feed the calfies. And get ready to feed out some silage. I'm going to get this bale of silage on board. Then Dad should be ready so we can go feed the next mob of calves. Awesome. Let's go. Yummy? Is there much there? Eat them up, girl, little heifer. Good girls. Most of this row is always heifers. Orange tags are heifers, which means they're first year calf. Calving's done yet? You're looking at it, eh? Good chookies. Little one. Hey, little one. Well, good chookies. They're all out. They're all out. Chin tap off. Stops the milk going into the teats. Right. There's no milk left anyways. There's a big calfie. Sounds like he's watch out. Gotta start the cafeteria up. Let the milk go through. Leave the cows alone. And then we got to sort them out. As you see, they like to bunch up in certain areas. Come on, you two. Cleaned all the tits out. Yeah, it just shows you they're getting older. They're not too fussed about it. They're eating their paddock down well, so it's a good sign. What do you got to eat? No, you ain't got to. There we go. Everybody's got to eat. Okay. They need some more meal by the look of it. And their hay rack looks good. Sweet. Go, there's meal. Yummy. And hay. And some happy little calves. Right, we'll go back and wash the cafeteria and go feed out some silage. Unless we go feed the calves first. See how we go. Right, straight over to their meal. Good little calves. Eat it before the birds do. Got a bale of silage on board. Go feed it. Doing the salt. And they love that stuff. Finished it off. Just been too lazy to refill it. There he goes. Oh, let's go feed these cows. Oh, happy little cows. Got the silage. Zigzag go out the back. Now we're headed off. Time to go feed the calves out in the swamp. Good meal, eh, Dad? Yep. Good pellets. Love the stuff. There's about 120 odd calves out here and getting about 125 kgs each. Little calves, right? We're off. There goes Dad, he's off to Granddad's. He's going to go and A-B some heifers up the runoff with Andrew. And I'm just going to wind this reel up because Dad said the cows where they are today. Looks like they've eaten off quite a bit of it and there wasn't as much as he thought in there. So we'll just give them the rest of this break. It'll clean it up well. And then they can come to milk. I'll shift to about midday. Until then, wind up this reel and go home and have some breakfast.
Somebody's having a hard time getting the heifers in this morning. They don't want to cooperate. Oh shit. Oh dear. Somebody's going to be grumpy when he comes down.
Just shifting the girls now. Just checked all the drains. No one was in there, so it's good. They're over there eating the grass that paddock they need to finish off. Girls will be happy in there. So why we graze off the front third of this paddock was because the paddock we put them in one day just didn't have enough grass in it before we got the silage. So yeah, helped them through till we got the silage. They're down there now, which is good. And it's not quite enough in that break for a night. If we'd left it to come back, this bit wouldn't be quite ready. And yeah, then it comes back. It takes about twice as long to come back next time if it's eaten right down. But that back half, that back 2/3, there'll be a bit of grass left in it, but it'll come back better next time. Better than letting it grow too long. Good afternoon, everybody. Chris just getting the cows in, and yeah, I'll set the cow shit up and get ready. Afternoon. Oh, Chris, how we doing?
Oh, good.
How we doing, Dad?
Good.
We're milking cows this afternoon. Got a bully one here. Number 7. Did quite well actually on the herd test. She did 2.7 solids, even for a crappy day that it was. Alright, well, carry on. You missed a sit there, old Chris. You missed a sit there.
Yeah, well, if you get out of the road, I might get it.
Girls can leave, eh? I'm waiting for this row. Must have a few friends in here. Going good. Dad's just sorting out the paperwork, picking out the straws and the bulls. So, yeah, we're milking well. We've only got 2 rows to go, I think. 3 rows to go. Sweet. We'll be ready for Gordon. Yeah, they're not in the biggest rush to get down the farm. Just keep looking at the little calves over there. Awesome. Right. Milking is going well. 2 rows to go. Good girls, that's our 8. So that brings us to 77 in 9 days. That's a good rate, that's what we want to see. We have still got a number of straws left. Another 2-3 weeks to keep it going. These girls are finally leaving. Not in the biggest of hurries, but we get there. Yeah, another one going in. Yep, another one in calf.
Got the right hole? I don't know. Just make it look good. Don't pour it on its back in front of these fellas. They don't think it works. Don't know? Nah, I don't know what's wrong with them.
Oh, that worked, just pour on.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Some cows.
So you put half in here,
Half on the back.
half there.
Oh, doubles your chances, Gordon.
Good girls. Off you go. Perfect.
Two drops of mineral water.
Well done. Gordon did another great job. More in calf. Right, that's all washed up. Dad's loading up the bale of silage by the looks of it. Yeah, easy peasy. Pulling up the tub now. And we can go down and feed it up to some cows.
See you in the morning. Yep, I'll see you next weekend. What we do. Like and subscribe.
There we go. All going well. Feed out. Some of the cows just can't bother getting up. They're pretty full. We'll see you all in the morning, eh?